Welcome back. We are still in the basic types Kotlin project. We have our basic types package, and then we have a new Kotlin class or file called strings KT. The basic type we're going to look at are strings. And strings are in Kotlin are very closely related to strings in Java. They behave almost identically. So we can see here a declaration, and again, this can be an inferred declaration. This is mutable, so Kotlin is inferring this mystr to be a string. Down here, we can also take a look here at string indexing. So strings are classes, just like they are in Java. They're also arrays. There's special types of arrays. And since they're classes, we have methods. And since they are arrays, the position is also important. So we have right here a mutable string, an inferred string called name, and we can return the first character by just passing in the 0th member and returning that the first character in name, and it'll return J. Last character we can call, because this is a class, we can call the length method and subtract 1, and then we'll get the last character in John. We can also use escape characters. Right here, notice we're using the /n. That's not printable, but this will actually print as a new line. So that's why they call it an escape character. And then if we come down here, this is a mutable string. So we'll have my escape string again, but this time we'll do /t, which is tab, and you can see the difference, so we can do that for an exercise. There's also a multi-line raw string, which we will pass like this with the double quotes and then the text in between. Let's run this Kotlin class. So we'll come over here again to the class, right-click on the file, the class file, go down to run strings KT, and we'll observe the output. So we have here the John, and we have the J, which is the first character, the N, which is the last. Then we have our hello reader, and we have our new line right here, and then we have our multi-line string here. So it is able to, in this case, the way we're passing the quotes, it's able to see or infer the new line. Next, we are going to look at type conversions.